p.m. At 1:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing quarter-size hail was located over Lake Arbor, or over Largo, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, train spotters and radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Annapolis, Crofton, Mayo, Shadyside, Naval Academy, Upper Marlboro, Severn River, South River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Sillery Bay, Road River, Magafee River, Dobbins Island, Pinehurst, Severna Park, Odenton, Pasadena, and Arnold. The tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for Central Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.